A very warm greetings to all the Nalandians. Children, in today's video, we are going to discuss the topic of chapter number 13, that is money. And the name of the topic is addition and subtraction of money. So let's start with it. So question is given to you, that is solve the following. So you have to solve the given questions. Now the first part that is given to you is 53 rupees and 20 paisa and 85 rupees and 60 paisa. Now you have to add both the amounts and write the answer. So let's start adding them from this row. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Now 2 plus 6. Now 2 is in our mind, children. Now start counting from 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we get the answer as 8. So let's write it. Now like this we can add the paisa. Now let's move to the rupees. So we have 3 rupees and we have to add 5 rupees to it. So 3 is in our mind. Now start counting from the next number. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again the answer is 8 rupees. Now we have to add 5 and 8. So 5 is in our mind. Now start counting from the next number. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So answer is 13. So let's write here 13. Now children, we got the result as 138 rupees and 80 paise. So let's write it here. Children, we write the amount in this way. हम इस तरीके से rupees and पैसे को represent करते हैं. ये rupees है children, so we have written here rupees symbol, यानी कि rupees 138 हम इसको read करेंगे. And point के बाद जो numbers होते हैं children, वो digits show करते हैं पैसे को. So इसको हम read करेंगे as rupees 138 and 80 पैसे. जब हम यहाँ पर डेसिमल लगाते हैं बच्चों, तो यहाँ पर अलग से पैसे लिखने की नीड नहीं है. पॉइंट के बाद जो डिजिट्स हैं वो अंडरस्टूड हैं, दैट इज पैसे. सो यहाँ पर हम सिर्फ रुपीस का सिंबल लगाते हैं. डॉट के बाद या डेसिमल के बाद हम पैसे का सिंबल नहीं लगाते हैं. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व वन मोर क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन. हियर 66 rupees and 54 paise is given to you. And you have to add 50 rupees and 3 paise to it. Now let's start adding. We will add the paise first. So 4 plus 3. Now 4 is in our mind, children. Start counting from the next number. 5, 6, 7. So we get 7 paise. 5 paise plus 0 paise is equal to 5 paise. So let's write it. Now let's add the rupees. 6 rupees plus 0 rupees is equal to 6 rupees. And 6 rupees plus 5 rupees. Now 6 is in our mind, children. Start counting from the next number. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we got the answer as 11 rupees. So here we got the answer as 116 rupees and 57 paise. So let's write it here. So we have written the answer here, children, that is rupees 116 and 57 paise. Now let's see one more question, children. In this question you have to subtract rupees 23 and 20 paise from rupees 84 and 35 paise. So let's subtract them. Here you have to subtract 0 from 5. So 0 is in your mind, children. Now start counting from the next number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 minus 0 is 5. Now 3 minus 2. Now 2 is in your mind, children. Start counting from the next number. 3. Now we have to count till 3. So 1 is the answer. Now here you have to subtract 3 from 4. Now 3 is in your mind, children. Start counting from the next number till this number. So 3 is in your mind. Next number is 4. So we got here 4. So 1 is the answer. Now you have to subtract 2 from 8. So 2 is in your mind, children. Now start counting from the next number, children. That is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you got your answer as 6. So let's write it. So children, we got the answer as 61 rupees and 15 paise when we subtracted 23 rupees and 20 paise from 84 rupees and 35 paise. Now let's do one more question, children. Here also we have to do subtraction only. So let's subtract from this column 9 minus 0. So 0 is in your mind, children. Start counting from the next number till 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 minus 0 is 9. Now you have to subtract 2 from 1. But 1 is smaller number and 2 is bigger number. So we can't subtract 2 from 1. So 1 will take borrow from 5. So 5 will become 4 and this 1 will become 11. So now we have to subtract 2 from 11 and 4 from 4. So let's subtract this one first. So 2 is in your mind, children. Now you have to count from the next number till 11. So start counting 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 9 is the answer. So let's write here 9. Now you have to subtract 4 from 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. And the last we have to subtract 1 from 5. So 1 is in your mind, children. Start counting from the next number till 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got the answer as 4. So let's write it. Now we got the answer as 40 rupees and 99 paise. So let's write it. So with this we complete our today's video, children. I hope you understood how to add and subtract the different amounts given to you. Do a lot of practice of this concept, children. Thank you and have a great day.